You can't win the war when it's still raging. Oh, look, there's a cardinal. I hope this is picking up. I'm trying. There's 1, 2. Our cardinals are back. That's 2 of them. No, we had 8. I have a film of them last year. Actually, I wonder if I can't turn it on its side. Or still I could. There's 1 up there in the tree. There's 1 on the feeder. They're both males. Some down here could be females. I can't tell from here. There's my pathetic looking hydrangeas. What used to be cone flowers. Yeah, I am trying to see. Well, once I download it, I can erase it. There we go. 2 on the feeder now. Oh, batteries. I'm not worth batteries. Okay. I am, and Noelle will love to see this. Ike. Hey, buddy. What are the birds doing? What are the birds doing? What are the birds doing? Go get them. Go get them. Go get them. Come on. Go get him. Good boy. Problem is I look away from the camera, I look at him, and then I lose him. There's my boy. Mama's good boy. Alright, we're done. Okay, until later. There'll be more of this white stuff playing later. Here's my waddle butt. Ike! Hello, pretty boy. You never know it, this dog doesn't stop smiling, except when you're taking a picture. Alright. Goodbye, Ike. Hi, Noelle. Miss you. Tell Conway we said hello. Tell Pete we miss him too. Love you guys. Bye.